Have you ever wondered how organizations, research scholars, and artists protect their intangible assets like inventions and designs? Yes, you're right, through intellectual property rights or IPR. In recent years, IPR management has become increasingly important, both for industry and for research institutes. The main categories of intellectual property rights include patents, copyright, trademarks, GI, design rights, etc. IPR provides incentive for creativity and the disclosure of information and plays a significant role in encouraging innovations in the form of product or process development, leading to technological advancement. It has become an increasingly important facet to the success and longevity of any organization and also for economic growth of the country. In this regard, ni-msme is organizing a 3-day training program for faculty members of universities, research scholars, and final year UG and PG students. The program is intended to bring awareness about the importance of IPR and to encourage faculties to file IP for their research, inventions, and innovative projects. The sessions will be handled by eminent IP experts from technical and legal background with proven track record. The curriculum of the program includes an overview on intellectual property rights, converting project works into patents, patent filing and documentation procedures, copyrights and trademarks, patent search and analytics, and industry-institute collaboration for commercialization of technology. Here's a brief excerpt from our previous participants.
Thank you, ni-msme. I'm so happy to be here and I feel blessed and feel so honored that you give me here. It was always a dream to be in India, so I had a really great experience. Thank you for all that you gave me, and I hope to come back soon.
Namaste. Myself, Ahmad Amid Rasuli from Afghanistan. I'm here from my country, and I'm very thankful for the first time when I came in here. I didn't know about the culture, about the everything about India. But when I realized, and after passing the time, believe me that I learned more things from ni-msme. Especially, I would like thankful from my directors, from all the colleagues of this ni-msme that they made us a big opportunity for us to be in here and to know everything about India, especially the food, culture, and the dancing and everything. When I go to Bangalore in Mysore, it was really good journey and trip for us that we have seen Mysore Palace in other places and come back. Especially I am from entrepreneurship and skill development program, and I get more things from my directors about entrepreneurship. When I go back to my country, I will use it very in good way. And once again, I'm really thankful from India country, especially from Ministry of External Affairs and also from directors in here, ni-msme. Thank you very much, India, for give us a big opportunity to be in here. Namaste.
It is definitely the need of the hour to acquire comprehensive knowledge on intellectual property rights and secure your work. Do not miss this one-of-a-kind opportunity to learn the trades from best-in-class industry experts. The training program will be organized from 27 to 29th May 2019 at ni-msme, Hyderabad. Seats will be allotted on first-come, first-served basis. Find the registration link in the description below and book your slot now.